Ezenwa came home from work and didn't know I had a surprise for him.
You smell guinea?
What? Am I right?
Nope.
My warrior.
See, your head never changed. See, the one, 19 Brigidi. See your head now, still the same thing.
Which head?
Never. Ezenwa Sophia.
It's with
Timber and Kariba.
with my uncle, KK Million. KK Million.
See shoe. Body shoe.
Number one. Sorry. With the bongo. Bongo and then the body hawk.
But you look like Nirugo.
There we go, yeah. I also look like TG2.
Biari endi. Ngwa nadana noche ama bia. Don't come into the kitchen, oh. I cooked something for Ezenwa. Ba, you're not allowed. Chucky, you also. Gani, Hiro. Oh yeah. Hiro. Want to prepare this food well. Chucky! This dog is not listening. Unlike Brutus, very stubborn dog. Isn't he? It's just decoration. Chief! Are you ready? It's going back to Sophia now, watching. Free ticket to Sophia. You're right. Shh. Did you see? No dana. Sorry, I hit him with the fork. Are you already opening your belt?
Sorry, it was open. I was just coming from finally.
Okay, you open it or you're closing it? Are
Are
you getting ready for your food? That's what I want to know. No, don't pick your call now. Hello, Chief. Chere. Are you ready?
Always ready.
Ngwa. Number 2.
Hey, mana kuija.
Ngwa rieni.
Mana kuija.
It's nice now.
Ana me chere ni ogugo.
Ni neba.
Afọ mi ala ogugo. That's Oshipaka. Ah, see.
There's no cholesterol in this one.
No folk one.
Taste the other. Okay, want more? It's nice, right?
Hello?
And while Ezenwa was answering his call, I went to get the main ingredient. Something I had never cooked before.
You know.
You see Rofa?
Yes.
Yay!
Ezenwa couldn't believe it.
Nico,
Breakfast.
You never cease to amaze me.
We have to go.
Ziki, Pretty. You really could go for apple?
Yes. Okay.
Wow.
I think I went to buy it. Ooh, where will I get it?
Wow. Hey. Nnukwu nni. Nne biko, wete m ngaji biko, wete ngaji. Ejiro fork wete nke a.
I put ogiri o. Ogiri okpe. Chucky was really happy about that smell.
Wow. Hey. Ogo original.
You marry me again now.
Hey, 1,000 times. I hustle you. Not anywhere you work. Hey. Many of them guys can't work with you.
Watch your clothes.
Me you put up already. Why am I in some new Hey, now the one who didn't know.
Enjoy your food.
When you're not gonna yan talk. Yeah, somebody be there. Somebody be there. Wow. I'm not carrying. Cool style.
Right. I took you back to Ethiopia.
Mana rukura muno. I didn't know you can make this. Shots. This is wonderful.
See?
Oh, yeah, come here, reef for. It overdose.
No problem. After you go and sleep.
Oh, no, dear.
Yes. The kids will also be happy to eat this for lunch.
I swear. Definitely. They will, shots. They will. Oh, man. Wow, man. Right now, the buy beacon. Okay, look, it's the one here. What do you look at? It's the one here, Maka. A woman that's full of surprises. I mean, positive surprises, you know, positive ones. Ufaku, nobody Igbo. Don't know before we see by. Maybe. No, man, no.